All right, let's talk about the future. Specifically, the top 10 AI tools that are seriously going to change how you work in 2025. This is going to be good.
So let me ask you something. Does it ever feel like your to-do list is just winning? You know that feeling, right? You're swamped, notifications are blowing up your screen, and you're busy all day, but at the end of it, what did you actually get done? Yeah, it's a battle we all know too well.
Well, it is definitely time for an upgrade. What if you had more than just another app? Imagine having an actual co-pilot, an intelligent AI partner that's designed to work right alongside you, smoothing out all those little bumps in your day. So before we can really appreciate the solution, we have to get a handle on the problem. I like to call it the productivity puzzle. It's this constant state of being buried in small tasks while desperately searching for that quiet space to do the work that actually matters. And this chart, wow, this basically shows our work life in a nutshell. Just look at that huge bar for administrative tasks compared to that tiny little one for strategic work. It's totally out of whack, isn't it? Most of our day is just admin. And that imbalance, that's the sweet spot where AI comes in to save the day. Okay, first things first. We're going straight for that big, ugly admin bar. This first batch of tools is all about one thing: automating the boring stuff. Let AI handle the busy work so you can actually get back to thinking. And where do we start? Well, we've got to tackle the biggest time sinks first, the two main culprits, your calendar and your project plans. These things can absolutely eat up your day, and they're exactly where AI can have a huge, immediate impact. All right, let's meet our first three champions of automation. Kicking things off is Motion. Think of it as your personal AI chief of staff. You just dump your to-do list in, and poof, it intelligently schedules your entire day. And it even moves things around automatically if something comes up. Next, say hello to Clockwise, which is kind of like a bodyguard for your focus time. It shuffles your meetings to carve out these amazing long blocks where you can just get stuff done. And rounding out our first trio is ClickUp. Its AI is baked right in, summarizing long comment threads and even creating task lists for you. So smart. And this really just gets to the heart of it all. It's not about AI replacing you. It's about letting it handle the grunt work, the predictable stuff, so you have the brain space left over for the exceptional things that only a human can do. Okay, we've started to clear out the admin clutter. So what's next? Oh yeah, the other big productivity killer: communication. We're talking about writing faster and having way, way smarter meetings. This next set of tools, they're total game changers. I mean, just look at the difference here. It's night and day. Before AI, you're in a meeting frantically trying to type notes and listen at the same time. With AI, you're just present. You're actually in the conversation, knowing a perfect summary is being made for you. Before AI, you're drowning in your inbox. With AI, you're triaging emails in minutes. It's a complete transformation. So, who's in this lineup? For your meetings, you absolutely need to know about tool number 4, Otter.ai. It doesn't just record and transcribe, it knows who's talking and pulls out the key takeaways for you. Incredible. Then for email, we have tool number 5, Superhuman. It's designed to make you feel, well, superhuman in your inbox. And for all your writing, our 6th tool is Grammarly. And this is not your old spell checker. This is now a full-blown writing partner that helps with clarity, tone, you name it. Let's just pause on this action item thing for a second, because this is huge. Think about it. How many great ideas die in a meeting just because nobody wrote them down? Now AI can listen, hear a decision being made, and automatically flag it as a task. It's like having a project manager built into every single conversation. That's accountability, totally automated. Okay, we've handled admin, we've streamlined communication. Now for the fun part. The really fun part. We're moving from just managing work to actually creating it. This is where AI becomes your creative co-pilot, helping you stare down that terrifying blank page and win. And I want to be super clear about this because I know what you might be thinking. No, these tools do not replace your creativity. They unleash it. Think of them as a partner that smashes through writer's block, helps you brainstorm, and gets the boring structural stuff out of the way so you can get to the brilliant ideas faster. So what can this creative co-pilot actually do? Well, pretty much the whole shebang. It can help you brainstorm new ideas, generate text when you're stuck, structure a complicated document, and even create incredible images just from you describing what you want. It's like having a whole creative team in your pocket. So let's round out our top 10.
If you need to brainstorm and organize everything in one spot, you want tool number 7, Notion AI. If you're writing marketing copy that needs to pop, number 8, Jasper, is your go-to. For creating mind-blowing original images just by typing, you have to check out number 9, Midjourney. And of course, the one you probably know, our number 10, ChatGPT, the ultimate Swiss Army knife for creative AI tasks.
I love this idea. The new creative process begins with a conversation, not a blank canvas. That is such a huge shift in thinking. We used to be so terrified of that empty page. Now, the process just starts with a question. You're having a dialogue with your creative partner.
Okay, let's bring it all together. When you look at all 10 of these tools, you start to see a bigger picture emerging. This isn't just about getting more things done or ticking more boxes. It's about something much deeper. We're talking about the future of your focus.
So you're probably thinking, this is great, but where do I even begin? It's actually pretty simple. Here's your quick start guide. Step 1, just think, what's my single biggest bottleneck? Is it meetings? My inbox? Just pick one thing. Step 2, trial one tool from our list that's built for that exact problem. And step 3, integrate and iterate. See how it works for you and build from there. Don't try to do everything at once.
And this right here is maybe the most important takeaway of all. The real productivity gain, the real win, isn't just about saving time. It's about reclaiming your focus. All these tools work to take away the mental noise, the constant switching between tasks, so you can get back those amazing chunks of time where you can do real, deep, meaningful work. So I'll leave you with this final question to think about. If all these AI copilots can truly manage the noise and the distractions of modern work for you, what amazing things are you going to think, build, and create in that newfound silence?